Hi everyone, hope you all are doing great. Today I'm sharing with you a haul from Myntra. That is, I've just ordered one bag from Myntra, and that is also from their famous brand Mast and Harbor. I was just going through their website and I actually liked this purse, and I was like the pattern was little bit different from others, so I thought of ordering it. Of course, this order is not the recently placed order. This purse, the delivery I got this delivery of the purse almost a month earlier, but as I couldn't make the video, so I thought of making it right now. So you can say it's already in the packaging. I've not even taken out the packaging. So it was there in the packaging. So I thought of making a video for you, so that if you want to order this kind of purse, especially from Mast and Harbor brand, you all can go ahead and you all can place the order. Now if you all want to know how was my experience and all, for that you all have to keep on watching the video. But before moving ahead, let me please tell you to kindly subscribe my channel. That is, you can press the red subscribe button. Next to it there will be a small bell icon. You can hit that bell icon also. If you'll hit that bell icon, you'll be getting notifications from YouTube about my videos time to time, and you won't be missing out any of the videos. Now, and yes, one more point, I have a giveaway planning video up on my channel. You can just go to visit my channel. There is a giveaway planning video, separate list, playlist giveaway planning. You all can just press that, you all can just go to that video, just watch that video, and help me to plan out the giveaway and everything for my subscribers. This is open only for my subscribers, and especially subscribers who have made their subscription public. This is the only one condition, that I want the subscription to be public. Okay, this is the one of the conditions. So you all can just go and watch that video. After this video gets over, you all can watch that video and help me with the giveaway planning. Now let's move ahead with the video. Chalo. This is normal packaging of Myntra. You all know, you all are aware. And I got this purse in this kind of see, the packaging and everything is given over here. If you all can see the price, you all can see it is 2000 rupees brand, and 2000 rupees, and brand is given over here Mast and Harbor. This is the particular purse. I like the pattern, so I'll show you. Also, it came with this kind of, now you will call it as a dust bag or you will call it a normal bag. I don't know what you will call, but I have already, I keep the purses like the packaging in which they come. So I never disturb the packaging. Once I use, again I keep in that particular packaging. So this is the packaging, and I can show you the tag and everything. I just removed the tag. See, it is from Myntra. You all can see this is the tag. Okay, Mast and Harbor 1999, and this is the company tag, Mast and Harbor. It came with this kind of, this all tags came over here. It was attached on this, I can show you, on this loop. It was attached on this loop. So I just removed the tag just to show you properly. It comes with this kind of two magnetic buttons. Okay, there is a one pocket here, even that is a magnetic closure. So this is the first pocket. Okay, here there is no pocket, here there is no pocket. So you all can see front and back no pocket. So it is like this. You all can just open it. So this is a big pocket. One more pocket is there, I can show you. This also is with magnetic clasp. You have to open this pocket. Okay, I'm so sorry. This is the strap thingy. It came with this kind of silica gel and all, like. Okay, and here, I don't know whether it is visible or no. Here, yeah, see, there is a chain closure. Here there is one more flap. You all can see it's written over here Mast and Harbor. So one chain pocket given over here. So if you all want to keep some money or maybe some cards or anything, or maybe a lipstick or something, so you can keep here. So this is chain closure. I've closed the chain. This is one more pocket. So total two pockets and one zipper pocket, small. Okay, and if you all want to carry this purse like this only, you all can do. You all can just keep this purse open, because even this is, there is a magnetic closure for this also, there also. So if you all want to carry the purse like this, you all can do that. Also, this purse comes with a strap, this kind of strap. Okay, and the quality of the strap is also good, and even the closure, the attachment, the what you call the metal part of the strap is also good. With even this comes with a silica gel. I have not even removed this. You all can understand, I have not yet used this first. So this comes with the strap. So if you all want to make it a sling bag kind of purse, you all can make it. See here, one here. So you all can attach it and the strap is also adjustable, so we can use it in either as a hand clutch or maybe a sling bag. But I prefer this bag, this kind of patterns, to use as a clutch. I don't like to use it as a sling bag because the pattern it is of this kind of pattern, so I like to use it as a clutch, not the sling bag. So this is the one purse. So I just hold it like, I'll just keep it like this and I hold it like this in my hand, and this is the quality, and everything is of very good quality, and it is, you can see, a light brown color, wood color, but little light. Okay, so this is the purse from Myntra. I like the quality plus the size. See, you all can see the size is also big. I can show you on my hands. See, it is still here, so you all can understand it is very good, very big purse. If you all want to keep your mobile, some makeup products, comb, your maybe a small portable charger, money, cards, everything can be kept in this. Plus this will never get full because this is a very good quality, huge. I mean, the purse is very huge. So if you all want to order this kind of purse, definitely go ahead and order. Especially I like the brand Masten Harbor, so you all can order of this particular brand. You all can see there are a lot of other purses available of this particular brand. You all can just visit Myntra and order it, but not right now. Let this pandemic situation get over, then you all can order. Or else right now what you can do is, you can since you all have right now time, you all can save the products in your cart, but don't order right now. Once this situation gets clear, everything gets normal, you all can order that time. Or else if you all want to wait for the sale time, definitely wait for the sale time, order during that time. If you all are not in a hurry, order during the sale time. It's all up to you how you want to move ahead. Alright, if you are watching till here, that means you like the content, and if yes, then kindly give this video a huge thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and family. Don't forget to watch that giveaway planning video. It will be right now on the, you can see on that particular screen, end screen. You can find that video on your left hand side top. You all can find that video, watch that video also, and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching.